Gucci Mane, a rapper known not just for his music, but also for his personal transformation, luxury lifestyle, and philanthropy, has amazed everyone with his life story. From struggles to success, and then his personal growth and philanthropic efforts, let's dive into his incredible journey.
Gucci Mane, born Radric Davis, is a name that has become iconic in the hip-hop world. Initially recognized for his raw energy and unique sound, his journey was far from easy. It was these challenges that gave him the drive to define his life and career in ways no one could have expected. Gucci Mane was born in 1980 in Alabama, but he grew up in Atlanta, Georgia. When he first entered the music scene, he reflected his life struggles through his lyrics. His debut album, Trap House, released in 2005, quickly earned him a spot in the underground rap scene. With this album, he started to carve out his identity and set the stage for a new chapter in rap music. Gucci Mane's journey was never easy. He faced numerous struggles in his early years, financial problems, legal issues, and personal crises. But he never gave up. He incorporated his struggles into his music and shared his ups and downs with his fans. Afterward, he took steps to steer his career in a new direction, finding success in ways that few anticipated. Gucci Mane's life took a dramatic turn when he brought his music to the mainstream. Hits like Icy and Freaky Girl helped catapult him to international fame. But his rise to fame wasn't just limited to music. He worked on his image, improving his fitness and personal life, which led to a major shift in how the public perceived him. His transformation wasn't just physical, it was a whole lifestyle change. Legal troubles were a major part of Gucci Mane's life, with multiple arrests and jail time. These events temporarily halted his career. However, during his time in jail, he focused on personal development and self-reflection. When he emerged, he transformed his image and his career took off again. He wrote an autobiography, honestly discussing his struggles and successes. This memoir became a New York Times bestseller, marking a new chapter in his career and giving his public image a massive overhaul. As Gucci Mane transformed his life, he also upgraded his lifestyle. He had a 6,000 square feet mansion in Marietta, Georgia, that was a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Later, he bought a $20 million mansion in Florida, which spanned 15,000 square feet with 11 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, a massive swimming pool, and lush greenery. This mansion became a symbol of his success and personal transformation. Gucci Mane's luxury lifestyle wasn't just about his home, his car collection was equally impressive. He owns rare and extravagant cars like the Lamborghini Aventador, Rolls-Royce Dawn, and Ferrari 812 Superfast. His Lamborghini Aventador, valued at $500,000, is one of his prized possessions. The custom interior of his Rolls-Royce Dawn and the performance of his Ferrari 812 reflect his taste and status. Gucci Mane is not just a successful musician but also deeply involved in social causes. He participated in a charity event in 2010 with 50 Cent, where they distributed school supplies in Queens, New York. He has also advocated for youth empowerment and criminal justice reform. His own experiences with the legal system made him an advocate for justice reform, using his platform to raise awareness and push for change. Gucci Mane's journey is not just about being a musician, it's an example of how one can evolve from struggles to personal transformation. Through his success, luxury lifestyle, and philanthropy, he has shown the world that he's more than just a rapper, he's a change maker. His story teaches us that if we turn our challenges into strengths, we can achieve greatness too. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Gucci Mane's life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a story like this. Stay tuned for more.